Welcome everybody to the crypto mining channel. Today we're gonna talk about airdrops. So not only can you make money with mining cryptocurrencies, with staking cryptocurrencies, but also with airdrops. So what's an airdrop? That's when a team hands out free tokens, free coins. So you can find many websites with active airdrops. So for example, here is a complete list of token airdrop sources, all websites for airdrops. You choose which one you think the best. I like airdropalert.com. Here you can see active airdrops, past airdrops, upcoming airdrops. Let's take a look at this one, Acorn exclusive airdrop. So you click on it. So here you see what Acorn is. So they are airdropping 5 oak coins worth $7 to 6,000 airdrop participants. And you can get $1.40 for every friend that you refer. So not only do you get free coins, your friends can also get these free coins and you can get $1.40 for it. Okay, $1.40, you're not gonna get rich with $1.40, but if you give your link to all of your friends, you've made some money. $1.40 in my country, this is not a lot of money. But some people have to work for $1.40 an hour. So then it's a lot of money. So this is a huge possibility for people, I don't know, in countries that who don't earn a lot of money, for example. If you can do this, you can get free airdrops, this and that. You can make a decent amount of money. You can make money with your computer. So this is great. This is a huge opportunity for many people. But anyway, free airdrops, guys, you have to do something to receive it. So here, Treon. So then you see what Treon is. They're airdropping 45 tokens for joining and 4.5 for every referred friend. So the ICO price is at 11 cents. So you can get $5 just like that. You have to complete a few quick steps by joining social media channels, as I did for the Pokemon Go token. I got 10,000. You can also get 10,000 tokens. Check out my last video. So submit form with your Ethereum address, refer friends. So it's almost always the same thing that you have to do. The active airdrop live for 4,000 participants. It's $20 for everyone when we reach cap. Everyone gets $16, so this is sweet. There are other websites as well. For example, here you can get $1.30, $6, $9, $18. For you naughty people out there, you can get $20. You can get 500 tokens here. Here, Triber, you can get $20. All for free, guys. All for free. The only thing you have to do is click on it, see what you have to do, maybe share or subscribe to their channel or something like that, and then you receive the airdrop. So I mean, there are so many airdrops, so you can get so many coins. Just imagine that one coin where you get like 100 tokens or 1,000 tokens becomes a valuable token. Then you have made a lot of money for free. This doesn't cost you anything. Airdrops, I love airdrops. I'm gonna focus a little bit more on airdrops, on interesting airdrops on which I think that have potential. Of course, you can do all the airdrops, and then if one becomes a winner, you will have made a lot of money with only 2 minutes of work. So this is great. Let me know if you already participated in airdrops. Also, people who have certain coins like QuantStamp, they get free airdrops for. You can also get free airdrops for holding certain coins. So not only can you get free coins by doing stuff, you can also get it by holding interesting coins. So guys, let me know if you already had some airdrops. Drop me a like if you like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. If you like to know how to start earning money with staking or with mining cryptocurrencies, subscribe to my channel and check it out, because I have videos to teach you, to show you exactly that. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel, and I wish you all a good day, guys. Bye bye.